Nishit Thakkar has experience in data research and joined STAD Solution to make a career in software testing. Let's hear from him.
Hello everyone, myself Nishit Thakkar. I did MCA in 2015 batch. I had experience of working as a data researcher in S&P Global, and then after I have thought to grow my career as a tester, so I had started the course from STAD Solution. And from social media, I came to know that that STAD Solution is providing some courses on automation and manual testing. So overall, it was a really great experience to have knowledge of testing. So they are providing very brief knowledge on test case writing, test scenario writing, along with that test planning documentation, bug reporting documentation, and test reporting. And also they also providing the knowledge on Scrum, Agile methodologies, and SDLCs, and high-level designing and low-level designing, how to deal with this kind of things in your professional career in a company. And apart from that, I do have also taken the course of automation, in which they have provided the knowledge brief in Java, database, and Selenium WebDriver. So this is really very useful for your career and career growth and working as a professional in a company. So that's it.